Hi everyone and welcome to a new video of Plant Yes. In this video I am going to fix a very sad string of hearts, which is also called Ceropegia woodii by propagation and repotting. If you're already excited to see this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. This is an older string of hearts plant that already has some tubers on the strings. Tubers grow on the nodes and are a natural way of vegetative propagation for this plant. Most importantly, this plant needs to get detangled first. I think it took me around 30 minutes to get it fully detangled, but I have just sped it up for you. Of course, you can skip to the part where I am putting it in the pot. So, all is detangled and the still good parts can go back into a new pot. I have filled this pot with a well-draining soil mix with lots of sand and perlite. It is quite some work to put back all the parts again. What is important is to not only put the big tubers in the ground well, but also secure the strings in place. You can do this by using small metal pieces that are rounded in a way that you can press the strings and nodes on the soil. The plant needs to be put in a spot with a lot of light, and it is best to underwater instead of overwater. Now that the repotting is done, it is time to start the propagation. I'm going to propagate these parts in water. Look for small tubers or nodes where the leaves are attached to the stem. Remove the leaves that will go underwater to reduce the risk of rot. You can cut between the nodes to get smaller strings and therefore more new plants. After a few weeks, you see the roots have grown on the nodes. The yellow parts that are rotten can be removed. The cuttings can now be placed in soil. Also, on the repotted plant there is new growth. I will make more cuttings so the plant will get even fuller. Thank you for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a look around and start to grow your knowledge. Bye!